What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that keeps restarting. So to fix the issue, first of all turn off auto restart. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on device care, and then scroll down and click on auto optimization. Now click on auto restart, and then you will see a restart when needed button. So make sure this button is turned off. So if this button is enabled, it will restart your phone automatically when performance issue are detected. So turn off this button to prevent auto restarting. But after turning off this button, if you are still facing the same issue, then check for software updates. So to check for software updates, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, check if you have any pending update. So if you have a update available for your phone software, then update your phone software to the latest version, and after updating the phone software to the latest version, the auto restarting issue will be 100% fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is factory data reset. So to do the factory data reset, open settings again, scroll down and click on general management, and then in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now in reset, scroll down and click on factory data reset option on the last, and then scroll down and click on this reset option again. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your mobile back to factory default, and it will delete everything from your phone. So to fix the issue, click on restart, reset, and after that the auto restarting issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.